Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best key cutting machine. We made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. Key cutting machines are essential tools for locksmiths, hardware stores, and anyone needing to duplicate or create keys. These machines come in various types and sizes, designed to cater to different key cutting needs, from simple household keys to complex high security keys. Key cutting machines operate by using a cutting blade to shape a key blank into the precise configuration of an existing key. Modern machines may also include features such as automated settings, digital readouts, and multiple cutting options to enhance accuracy and efficiency. Number 5. XMSJ Key Cutting Machine. The XMSJ key cutting machine is compact yet robust, with dimensions of 316mm x 184mm x 234mm, and a weight of 10 kilograms. This size makes it suitable for both professional locksmiths and home use, offering a balance between portability and stability. Performance. With an input voltage of 12 VDC and a power consumption of 70 W, the machine operates efficiently and is designed to handle various key cutting tasks. The spindle speed of 11,000 RPM ensures rapid and accurate cutting, which is crucial for high-quality key duplication. Functionality. The machine features a USB 2.0 interface, which provides modern connectivity options for firmware updates or integration with other systems, enhancing its versatility and future-proofing the device. It operates well within a wide temperature range of 0 to 45 degrees centigrade, -4 113 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity range of 10 to 90%, making it adaptable to different working environments. Number 4. ZJMZYM FC1688 Key Cutting Machine. The FC1688 is a double-head key cutting machine, which means it can cut two keys simultaneously or handle different key types with its dual-head setup. This feature enhances productivity, especially in busy environments. The machine is well built, with a robust construction that ensures durability and stability during operation. Its weight of 15 kilograms indicates a solid design, reducing vibrations and providing a stable cutting experience. Operating at 220 V and 50 Hz with a power output of 120 W, the FC1688 provides sufficient power for cutting various types of keys. The machine's performance is reliable, delivering accurate and clean cuts. The motor is designed to handle continuous operation, making it suitable for both light and heavy-duty use. The FC1688 is customizable, allowing users to adjust settings according to their specific needs. This feature is beneficial for achieving precise cuts on different key profiles. The machine's user-friendly design ensures that it can be easily operated by both experienced professionals and newcomers to key cutting. Number 3. Xhorse Dolphin XP005L Key Cutting Machine. The Dolphin XP005L boasts a reputation for being strong and stable. Its robust construction ensures reliability during operation, which is crucial for precision key cutting. The machine's stability translates into accurate cuts and consistent results, minimizing the need for rework and enhancing overall efficiency. One of the standout features of the XP005L is its automatic key cutting capability. This functionality simplifies the key cutting process by automating key positioning and cutting tasks, which significantly reduces manual effort and potential human error. For users accustomed to manual key cutting, this automatic feature represents a significant upgrade in ease of use and efficiency. The Xhorse Dolphin XP005L comes with a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind and support in case of any issues. The delivery of the machine is described as safe, fast, and convenient, ensuring that users receive their equipment promptly and in excellent condition. Number 2. Xhorse Condor Dolphin XP007 Key Cutting Machine. The Condor Dolphin XP007 is engineered to deliver exceptional performance with its advanced cutting technology. Its robust build ensures durability and stability during operation, which is essential for achieving precise cuts. This durability is particularly beneficial in high-volume environments where reliability and consistent performance are paramount. The XP007 is equipped with cutting-edge features that cater to both professional and high-demand key cutting needs. While specific automatic functions are not detailed in the provided information, the Condor series generally includes advanced technology for accurate and efficient key duplication. The machine's design emphasizes user-friendliness, making it accessible even for those new to key cutting technology. With the OEM number Xhorse Condor Dolphin XP007, this model is easily identifiable within the Xhorse product lineup. This helps in ensuring compatibility with various accessories and parts, making maintenance and upgrades more straightforward. Number 1. Xhorse Dolphin XP007 Key Cutting Machine. Weighing only 14 kilograms, the Dolphin XP007 is notably smaller and lighter, compared to many other key cutting machines. This makes it highly portable and convenient for use in various settings, whether you're working in a workshop or on-site. The reduced weight does not compromise its functionality, as it still delivers robust performance in a more compact form. One of the standout features of the XP007 is its built-in lithium battery. Optimized with a well-known brand's battery technology, it provides stability and reliability. This built-in battery allows for key-cutting operations, even when there is no access to power, making it a versatile tool for mobile and remote applications. This feature is particularly valuable for locksmiths who need to perform key cutting in diverse locations. The Dolphin XP007 boasts more powerful functions compared to its predecessors, enhancing its capability to handle various key cutting tasks efficiently. Despite its smaller size, it does not sacrifice performance, delivering accurate and reliable cuts with ease. The combination of powerful functionality and a more accessible price point makes it an attractive choice for both new and seasoned professionals. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those products. Please subscribe my channel for more update.